Oh yes! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the look that you have seen in the thumbnail, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, please watch right through to the end just to see the final look. And today we're going to be using the palettes you've also seen in the thumbnail, which is the BEAUTYBAY Identity palette and the September Rose Cosmetics Slush palette, which I love both. If you like more of these videos, there is an icon up here that you can click at the end of the video that will take you to other tutorials that I have done. Also, if you are planning on subscribing to my channel, I will now be doing testing makeup on Wednesdays and doing product reviews on a Wednesday, and for Sundays I will be doing makeup tutorials only. So after this video I will be doing makeup tutorials only on a Sunday, so please subscribe for that, and makeup reviews on a Wednesday. Also, please subscribe down below and hit that bell button for turning post notifications on so you know every time I post. And if you want to see how I achieved the look in my thumbnail, please keep watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows and I've got a brow tutorial up already, so if you want to check that out, it'll be linked somewhere at the end of the video or in the description. Make sure you check that out, it's up already. So I'm just going to start by patting down my PLOUISE base and just making sure that everything's all blended. So today I'm going to be going in with the September Rose Cosmetics Slush palette, and they're a small indie brand that has a couple palettes, so I'm really excited to be using this. I've used this a couple times already and I have a look on that already. It's up on my Instagram and I will be filming a tutorial on that as well, but these shades look amazing. I'm so excited to be using this today in this video. Okay, so I think I'm going to be going in using this shade. It looks like such a nice cherry shade. It's like nice and it's kind of like a shimmer. I'm also going to be using the BEAUTYBAY Identity palette again today. I did like the look that I created last time, so I'm going to be using that again today. The review and tutorial is up on my channel already, so it will be linked somewhere at the end of the video and in the description as well, so make sure you check that out. Firstly, I'm going to be going in with the BEAUTYBAY palette. I'm just going to be going in with this red shade here, and I'm just going to put that right in the crease. So it's kind of like a red sort of pink shade. I've not played with these shades for quite a while, so I'm excited to see what look I'm going to create. To blend that out, I'm going to be going in with Pink Lemonade here. And I'm going to be using the same M506 Morphe brush to blend that out. I'm now going to be going in with a fluffier Morphe brush and just going in with Pink Lemonade again and just blending that out further. I'm now going back in with the red shade again from the Identity palette just to deepen that crease up a bit. I'm just going to be going in with the cream shade right at the very top here, just to blend out the outer edge further, and it just makes sure that pink is very well blended at the edge. I'm going to be taking the PLOUISE base in the shade 0.5, and I'm just going to be cutting a crease with that. I've just taken product off the middle just so it's a clean cut crease. So I'm just going to be putting that in the centre. I'm going to be going back in with the red shade from the Identity palette as well, and I'm just deepening up that outer edge of the concealer that we just put down, and I'm just blending towards the centre as well. So I'm going to be using the BEAUTYBAY liquid crystal eyeshadow. It came in the trio of the Celestial pack that they sent me in PR, and I'm going to be using the shade Selenite, and it's just a duochrome sort of eyeshadow with silver blue sort of flecks in them. So before we use that, I'm just going to need a base eyeshadow to set that. So I'm going to use Coconut Milk from the SLUSH September Rose palette. Just to get up there, I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics brush. It's just a flat shader brush like that. Now we're going to go in with the BEAUTYBAY liquid crystal eyeshadow in Selenite, and I'm just going to pop that on the middle of the eye. I'm also going to take the September Rose Slush palette and using the shade Sour Cherry. I'm going to be taking a brush I got on an Amazon set, so I'm just going to be using this fluffy brush and dipping it into Sour Cherry and going right into here. I just went in with the Morphe E18 as well. It's just a short chubby brush, and I'm just putting it into the closer to the centre where we put the liquid eyeshadow. Just going to dip into the liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to dab it onto the centre here. I'm just going to go back in with the M504 Morphe brush, and I'm just going to go back in with that light base shade in the BEAUTYBAY Identity palette. So I'm just going to be using the lashes from Fear Lash Lashes. They are a small brand and they are on Instagram. So check them out, they're at Fear Lashes on Instagram, and these are in the style I Guess. So I'm just going to be putting these on. So I actually added the Sample Beauty pigment in the shade Arctic, and it's pretty much the same kind of colour as the liquid crystal eyeshadow. This has got some blue reflexes in it, so I've just added that in just for an extra sort of duochrome glitter. And I've got my lashes on as well, and these are such amazing lashes. They're very fluffy and very, like, you can really see through the eyeshadow, so they're not blocking any of the eyeshadow out, and you can see right through them, so they're still very full and glam, so I really like them. I'm going to be doing my skin routine off camera. If you do want a skin based foundation routine, please comment down below if you want that foundation routine, and I will do that for you. Just let me know, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and I was actually going to do my bronzer and highlighter on camera, but I forgot to record, so I'm just going to tell you what I used for my highlight just now. It's the Sleek Mono Highlighter in Solstice Equinox, so it's a really nice gold, like, it's not too gold, but it's in the middle of silver and gold, and it's a really nice highlight. If you want to go natural, this is really nice. If you want to go full on, this is really nice as well. Like, I absolutely love this highlighter, so if you want to check that out, I will leave the link below as well. Next, I also use the Makeup Revolution pigment, and it's like a rose gold sort of pigment. It's very nice. And this is like got pure gold pigment in it, so it's a rose gold pigment, and it's called BECK and Call, and I really love this for highlight. I've been using it recently as highlight on top of my Sleek highlighter, and I really love it. I will have a link for this below as well if you want to check that out. It's really inexpensive as well for a pigment. I think it's about £4, so that is so amazing. And it's by Makeup Revolution again, so I use that on my highlight for my face. And I've also been loving this in with my lip gloss, so I would just put this on first, and then my lip gloss. I'm going to do the rest of my eyes just now, and we're just going to mirror what we've done on the top already, mostly. So I'm just going to take that red shade from the Beauty Bay palette again, just there. So I'm just going to run that under the whole under eye and connecting that with the top there. A lot of reds do come off quite pink on camera, so you just need to kind of build that up if you want it as a pure red. And then again, we're going to be using the Slush palette by September Rose Cosmetics. And we're just going to be dipping into Pink Lemonade again, and just dipping that in there. And then we're going to run that under the eye. And then I'm going to be taking my Primark 3D Lash Effect mascara, and it just looks like this in gold packaging. I think this was only £1.50 for mascara, and it's amazing. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal, I can't remember, is it $1 Million Lash something? But their mascara, they've got one that's a wand like this, and it's very nice. So £1.50 for a mascara is amazing. I love Primark mascaras. I'm also going to put my photos of this look up on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, go down and follow me. It's in the link below, and I will put this look up. So now for the lips, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Beck and Call pigment. So I just tip a bit of that into the lid, and so like I've got a tiny bit there, and then I'm just going to dip my finger in there and run it on my lips. So I'm just going to be using the Primark High Gloss in clear. Obviously it's got like, it's not clear anymore because I've used it so much on nude lips, but it is clear gloss. So this is only £1.50 as well, so amazing. And I'm just going to put that over. For finishing off, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray, and I use this just to hydrate my face and pull all the powders together that we've put on and make sure it's looking really dewy. Oh, it smells so good, and it looks so dewy, like amazing. So guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this look, please leave a like and subscribe and turn your post notifications on. That would mean so much to me. And let me know in the comments if you like coloured glam or neutral glam, and if you're in a colourful bold mood or a neutral mood. And check out my other videos, which will be linked in the description below and at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that and go watch my other videos if you've not seen them. I've got a eyebrow tutorial and a soft glam look if you prefer neutral look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!